Today, you're going to learn how to reduce your freelancing taxes using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through simple prompts that help you identify deductions, track expenses, and optimize your tax situation legally. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, freelancers, self-employed workers, side hustlers, and anyone earning income outside traditional employment. Before you begin, gather basic information such as your income sources, business expenses, receipts, bank statements, and any tools or subscriptions you pay for. If you're unsure what counts as a deductible expense, the first prompt will make that clear. Start with this simple prompt. Create a beginner-friendly checklist of tax deductions freelancers can legally claim in the UK or US. This gives you an instant list of common write-offs freelancers often miss. Next, personalise your tax saving plan using this prompt. Help me reduce my freelancing taxes. Ask me questions about my work, expenses, and income. Then create a customised list of deductions I can claim. After answering, you'll receive a clear breakdown of deductible items tailored to your situation. If you want help organising your expenses throughout the year, use this. Create a simple system for tracking my freelancing income and expenses so I don't miss deductions at tax time. You'll get a clean structure you can use monthly or weekly. For additional clarity, use this. Explain why each deduction applies to me using simple examples. This helps you understand how the tax rules support your claims. Finally, build long-term good habits using this routine prompt. Create a monthly habit to keep my freelancing tax records organised for next year. And that's it. Reducing your freelancing taxes becomes much easier when you follow a clear structure and stay organised throughout the year. Use these prompts, follow each step, and always confirm important tax details with HMRC or the IRS if you're unsure. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and end of your process. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.